Greetings everyone. So today we are recording a task 1 which is generally a graph which you have to describe. So the question is, the graph below gives information about how much people in the United States and the United Kingdom spend on fuel. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So this is the graph wherein the United Kingdom shows a rise and the United States shows a decline depending on the income. Okay, so what you have written is, just a moment, I'll completely, yeah. The chart illustrates the percentage of expenditure on fuel. You cannot give two space bars by various income groups of United Kingdom and United States. Very good. Overall, it is evident that United States has spent more money compared to the United Kingdom. How did you say that? Overall, because you can't see the total amount of money spent anywhere. So we will moving on. We will talk about the structure later. We'll just move on with the grammatical mistakes first. Interestingly, the poor income group of United States spent twice the money compared to the rich income group. However, the United Kingdom has shown on spending increasing pattern on spending on the fuel. Okay. Firstly, the poor income group of United Kingdom spent less than 0.5% of their fuel, of their income. You need to write here there. So that would be right. Their income on fuel. Later, the trend goes upwards above 2%, followed by the middle class group, where the ratio rises from approximately 2% to 4%. But in rich income group, people spend nearly 4% of their income, although the trend experiences a downward pattern. How does the trend experience a downward pattern? After this point, the trend experiences a downward pattern. Okay. Although as the richness increases, you can write as the income increases after a certain amount, the trend experiences a downward pattern. You can write it here and you'll have to put a comma over here. On the other hand, people of United States spend about 4 to 5%. Spend, nice, spend. Here you have to write spend. About 4 to 5% of their income on the fuel. Okay. While, no, you have to write here, give here, when you are using while, you have to give here a comma. And the W would be small. While the middle income group spend slightly less on fuel, which is 4 to 5%. How come it is both 4 to 5%? So you don't need to specify it is 4 to 5%. You just need to say it is slightly less. Okay. Surprisingly, rich people spend less money compared to the poor. This shows that United States has a decreasing pattern. Okay, those were all the grammatical mistakes you made. Now we'll move on to the structure. The first thing that you said, that the chart illustrates the percentage of expenditure on fuel of various income group of United Kingdoms and United States. Perfect. Overall, it is evident that States has spent more money compared to the United Kingdom. You don't know this. We are not sure of this. We don't know the overall amount. We are talking in the percentage of income. You are talking about more money. You don't know what is their income. Okay. Interestingly, the poor income group of United States spent twice the money compared to the rich income group. So you're saying that the poor income group of United States spent twice the money. Okay, fine. Compared to the rich. However, the United Kingdom has shown an increasing pattern of spending on fuel. Fine. Firstly, the poor income group of United Kingdom spent 0.5% of their income on the fuel. Later nahi. No, you have to say as the income increases. This is not about the time. We are not talking about the time, any kind of timeline here. So you have to write here as the income increases, the trend goes upwards up to 2%, followed by the middle class income group where the ratio rises. Ratio? No. We are talking about percentage. So you will always say the percentage rises from approximately 2% to 4%. But in the rich income group, this is like followed by the middle income class. We're talking about United Kingdom, so 2% to 4%. Okay, fine. But in the rich income group, people spend nearly 4% of income. But in the rich income group, people spend, again, yeah, we'll have to write D here. Nearly 4% of their income where? On fuel or petrol or whatever you like. So that would be it. Although as the income Although as the income increases after a certain amount, the trend experiences a downward pattern. Yes, that is for the income. Yes. On the other hand, people of United States spend about 4 to 5% of their income on fuel, while middle income spends less on the fuel. So 4 to 5%, and then you can write here as the income increases, there is a decreasing trend. So instead of while the middle income spends slightly less, you can write over here as the income increases, the trend of spending on fuel decreases. Or with an increase in the income, the expenditure on fuel is decreased. Okay. Surprisingly, rich people spend less compared to the poor. This shows that a United States has a decreasing pattern. Fine. The structure is fine. There are some grammatical mistakes and there are some understanding mistakes which you will have to take care of. Thank you.